All right, here is a feel-good story. Guardian Angel rescues upstate teacher coach from fiery wreck. This happened in the upstate of South Carolina. According to News Channel 4, uh, this occurred in Oconee County, South Carolina, where basically someone was in a wreck, couldn't get out, was trapped. Someone that didn't know the person was driving by and was able to get this person out and basically save this coach's life. Now, what's interesting is the savior, the person who rescued the coach from this fiery crash, he said a prayer so that he wouldn't get burned pulling him out of the car. The car was in flames when this person came up on the wreck. And the person that rescued this man didn't get hurt, didn't get any burns, didn't suffer any ill effects whatsoever. I'm going to leave a link to this in the description. Click on it, read it for yourself. It's just a really good, feel-good story, and that's something that we all need to remember, that God's got this. Through all this that we're going through, God's got this. Thank you for watching my video. God bless.